Moyale town is staring at a possible humanitarian crisis as the number of refugees fleeing a military operation in Ethiopia continue to arrive. Over the last 5 days, more than 8,000 refugees have crossed the border to Kenya. And as Laura Otieno reports, despite efforts by the Kenya Red Cross, the Marsabit County government is calling for support to comfortably host the refugees.
Moyale town in Marsabit County. At first glance, it's business as usual. But this border town has in the past 4 days received over 8,500 new inhabitants from the neighboring Ethiopia, the newcomers having a tale to their exodus.
We are the normal citizen of the Ethiopian country, and who are firing at us is the government itself.
It has been reported that 9 people were shot dead last Saturday by officers from Ethiopia's military in an operation to flush out members of the outlawed Oromo Liberation Front. Residents here, however, refused to agree with the narrative.
There was no protest there. There was no congregation of people there, no gathering of people there during the military fire at the people.
The situation forcing them to seek a safe haven in Kenya. They moved in with their livestock, those children happily tending to goats, oblivious of the state of affairs around them. According to Marsabit County Deputy Governor Solomon Gobo, soaring numbers in the past 4 days have strained the ability of the local government to accommodate the influx and is now calling for support. The refugees are spread across 4 centers and some are putting up with well wishes. According to the Kenya Red Cross, the number is expected to rise in the coming days. Outbreaks of violence have continued in Oromia province even after Ethiopia declared a 6-month nationwide state of emergency last month following the resignation of Prime Minister Haile Mariam Desalegn. Laura Otieno, JKL.